heart of the upper town, the gardens and the walls of Palazzo Terzi host a range of habitats for various living communities. The small internal garden is notably damp and makes room for Geum urbanum and for the male fern, both of which are typical of woodlands. On the small lawn, along with dandelions and soft cushions of moss, we find growing Viola suavis, Viola reichenbachiana, Cardamina hiniana, and Cardaminopsis arenosa, none of which is common in urban areas. Long-standing and often pruned laurel bushes complete the vegetation of the green space. The paved area of the inner courtyard is inhabited by species typical of this sort of environment: Plantago major, Sagina procumbens, Elusina indica, Poa annua. The stairway that leads to the upper garden, on the other hand, accommodates wall-growing plants, Asplenium trichomanes and Cymballaria muralis. The broad garden at the head of the stairs presents a variety of conditions that allow a range of grasses to grow, including the rare primrose Lysimachia numularia. The vegetation is completed by several old exemplars of the ornamental trees Ginkgo biloba, Magnolia grandiflora, and Ligustrum lucidum, as well as Calicanthus, which is a sweet shrub that flowers in winter and that releases an unmistakable and intense perfume. The garden of Via Salvecchio is closely related to the historic gardens that adjoin it, so that they create a mosaic of green where many birds find shelter, food, and a place to nest. Though they are small in size, the two gardens are havens for many birds. The blue tit, with its narrow beak, frees the trees of parasitic insects. The blackbird feeds on the invertebrates in the lawn, while the Italian sparrow, the blue finch, and the green finch, with its characteristic call, feed on the seeds and the ivy berries that cover the outer wall. The tall trees are ideal perches for the wood pigeon and the rock pigeon.